Welcome back to my channel. Imagine an oil so powerful that it tackles hair fall, bald patches, thinning hair, and slow growth, all at once. Today, you'll discover the world's most effective 100% natural hair growth oil, made with ingredients trusted for centuries, and backed by modern science. Stay till the end, because the last step will unlock the true power of this recipe. Hair loss affects millions of people worldwide, and most chemical treatments fail because they focus only on the hair shaft, not the root cause. This oil penetrates deep into the scalp, boosts blood circulation, nourishes the follicles with vital nutrients, and stimulates new hair growth naturally. Ingredients and benefits. Coconut oil 1 cup, the base that deeply penetrates the scalp, fights dandruff, and prevents protein loss from hair strands. Castor oil 1/2 cup. Thick and nutrient-rich, castor oil boosts hair thickness, locks in moisture, and strengthens the roots. Onion, sliced, 1 medium. Onion juice contains sulfur, which improves blood circulation, stimulates collagen production, and awakens dormant hair follicles. Onion seeds, kalonji, 1 tablespoon. Packed with thymoquinone, kalonji prevents premature graying, nourishes follicles, and combats scalp infections. Garlic cloves 6 to 8, lightly crushed, a natural DHT blocker. Garlic strengthens roots, reduces hair fall, and boosts collagen for healthy growth. Fenugreek seeds 1 tablespoon, rich in nicotinic acid and proteins. Fenugreek seeds repair damaged follicles and promote faster, stronger hair growth. Fresh aloe vera gel chunks 1/2 cup. Aloe vera soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and deeply conditions hair while allowing nutrients to penetrate better. Rosemary essential oil 6 to 8 drops. Added after cooling. A proven hair growth stimulant that rivals minoxidil, rosemary oil improves blood flow and helps regrow thinning areas. Recipe method, step by step. Heat the base oils. Pour 1 cup coconut oil and 1/2 cup castor oil into a pan. Keep the flame low to preserve nutrients. Infuse the power ingredients. Add sliced onion, onion seeds, crushed garlic, and fenugreek seeds to the oil. Let them gently sizzle so they release their nutrients without burning. Add aloe vera for deep nourishment. Once the mixture is warm and fragrant, add fresh aloe vera gel chunks. Keep heating on low until the aloe vera water content evaporates and only the goodness remains infused in the oil. Cool and fortify. Turn off the heat and let the oil cool completely. Once cooled, add rosemary essential oil and mix well. Strain and store. Strain the oil into a glass bottle and store in a cool, dark place. How to use. Massage a small amount into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to boost circulation. Leave overnight for best results. Use 2 to 3 times a week. This isn't just an oil, it's a complete scalp therapy that revives dead follicles, thickens hair, and stops hair fall naturally. Remember, consistency is the key, because your hair deserves the same care as your skin. Try this recipe and let your mirror show you the results. Thank you for watching.